Hello everybody and welcome to my 78th VBA 2010 tutorial. And this tutorial is going to show you how to avoid having issues with apostrophes in your text fields. So the only time you really need to use it is with kind of user input into your criteria for things. So say with this environment username, we're not going to need to use it really, because unless you're going to have apostrophes in people's login details, which is quite unlikely, but possible, I guess. If you have people's names as their usernames, you could probably have an apostrophe. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a function down here. So function, and so I'm going to call it sanitize SQL, and then we want to bival a SQL string as a string, and we want to make the function return a string, and then all we're going to do is just replace, we're going to make sanitize SQL equal to replace SQL string, and then we're going to find a string, replace our string. So we're going to find any apostrophes and replace them with 2 apostrophes. What that is going to do is when you put 1 apostrophe in, it's going to end it, but if you put 2 in, it's just going to say end it. Oh no, actually we want to put an apostrophe, and then it's just going to let it carry on as normal. So now we can use the sanitize SQL. So let's go onto our new name, and we just want to put sanitize SQL around it, and then close brackets. And so now when we press play on this, and I try and change my name to Matt O'Reilly, and press OK, and it's going to run fine. And if we look into our users table, then you'll notice it's updated to Matt O'Reilly. And that is quite an important one to keep, quite an important function. You're probably going to want to just cut it out of there and put it in our DB connection module. So now you're able to use that if you've imported the one that I've made. So that's it for this tutorial. In the next few tutorials, we're going to get a little bit more advanced because we've kind of covered the basics now. You should be able to create quite a complex spreadsheet that uses your database as a backend, and do quite a lot of different things. You can create new records, you can get rid of records, you can update records, and you can search through for the existing records and manipulate them. So we'll probably do a couple of examples and then go on to joins and things like that. And so thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you in the next tutorial.